video, we explore why assembly language still matters today, especially in IoT and embedded systems. Assembler is a very low-level language. It directly represents the processor's instruction set, with each line of code corresponding to a machine instruction. As a result, it gives the programmer precise control over what the hardware does. In modern IoT systems, we often work with devices that have strict limitations. These devices run on small batteries, so energy consumption must be minimized. They have very little RAM and flash memory, so saving single byte matters. They also must respond to events in real time, sometimes within microseconds. High-level languages, such as C++, are convenient, but they produce extra instructions that we cannot always predict. Assembly removes this uncertainty. It allows us to optimize every line of code for speed and for efficiency. Another important reason to understand assembly is that many microcontroller libraries use assembly routines internally. When something fails or behaves strangely, knowing how the processor works on the lowest level helps you to diagnose and fix problems. Bootloaders, interrupt service routines, real-time communication protocols, and timing-critical operations are all areas where assembly is still the best option. This video gives the foundation for the rest of the model. Later videos will introduce hardware evolution, AVR architecture, registers, addressing modes, and instruction sets, all needed for professional embedded development.